Hi friends, welcome to JOSAT. Today we are going to see important questions for B.Ed second year of subject assessment for learning. Question number 1. Describe the concept of assessment. What is the process and planning of assessment? Question 2. Explain the importance and principle of assessment. Also explain the function of assessment. Types of assessment. Question number 3. What is measurement, assessment and evaluation? Differentiate among them, that is continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Fourth question. Give a detailed description of NCF's 2005 vision of assessment for learning. Fifth question. Explain the importance of Bloom's taxonomy for instructional objective and also define the need for revision of Bloom's taxonomy. Sixth question. Describe tools of evaluation. A. Interview. B. Questionnaire. C. Rating scale. D. Observation. E. Checklist. F. Anecdotal records. G. Cumulative records. H. Written examination, essay type test, objective type test, short answer type, and I. Oral examination. Seventh question. What do you mean by achievement test? What are the principles of achievement test? State the importance of achievement test in education. Eighth question. Explain formative approach of assessment in detail, that is assessment for learning. Ninth question. Explain summative approach of assessment in detail in assessment of learning. 10th question. Explain the recent or new trends in assessment and evaluation, that is A. Open book examination, B. Online examination, C. Semester system, D. Question bank, E. On-demand examination, F. Grading system, G. Choice-based credit system. 11th question. What do you mean by remedial teaching? Discuss the process and importance of remedial teaching. 12th question. Differentiate between grading system and credit based system. Also write down the importance of grading system and advantage of credit based system. 13th question. What do you mean by information and communication technology, ICT? Discuss the role of ICT in education and in assessment and evaluation. 14th. What is the meaning of percentile and percentile rank? What is the importance of percentile score in education? 15th. What do you mean by statistics? Discuss the need and importance of statistics in educational assessment. 16th. Write short note on cumulative frequency, B. Cumulative percentage. Practical questions. 17th. Measure of central tendency. 18th. Measure of dispersion. 19th. Measure of correlation. 20th. Normal possibility curve. These are the important 20 questions of B.Ed second year in assessment for learning. Please make use of it and all the best for your exam. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you friends.